Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I will describe an object that had previously been used on board as a warning of a thing that had taken place. It was Siren that everyone knew about it. There are many kinds of sirens, but now I will be discussed with a miniature alarm siren with an MS-119 type. It looked like this. MS MS-190. This type of siren has a small dimension of 10 times 8 times 8. For the color of dust is red. The siren can be operated at 224 AC, 12 volt DC, or 24 volt DC, depending on the need of users and my own. Could be operated at 12 volt DC. Then the power required of this siren is 40 watts. The siren have a very loud sound intensity that reaches 120 decibel. The distance it can reach by the sound of sirens for about 100 meters. Inside the siren is a fan that has 10,000 RPM or radial per minute. This is a fan, and inside this is a 10,000 RPM radial per minute round. These are often used by electric panels as a navigation if any error occurs. The sirens can easily be linked to the component in the electrical panel. Siren at 12 and 24 volt DC short use power supply assistant as a source, while for the 224 AC directly to the power source without using power supply. The siren is easy to put where it needs to be because of its small size. When setting up the panel, the screw had been indicated to prevent them from falling because the fairly intense vibration generated by the siren fan. The sirens are used not only on panels but also on fire trucks, but are different in size from the miniature alarm siren used in the panel. Okay, thank you very much for attention about description miniature alarm siren. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.